regret not sounding the sirens?
I do not. And the reason why, and
so many people said they could have been saved if they had time to escape.
The sirens, as I had mentioned earlier, is used primarily for tsunamis, and that's the reason why many of them are found, almost all of them are found, on the coastline. The public is trained to seek higher ground in the event that the siren is sounded. In fact, on the website of the Hawaii Emergency Management Agency, had we sounded the siren that night, we're afraid that people would have gone malka. And if that was the case, then they would have gone into the fire.